Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Blackview A90 has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, first let's locate the SIM slot, and it's right here on the left side of the phone. And we'll need to take a needle from the box that should be included in it, and that's how it looks like. Now let's put that needle inside this gap right here. It should open like this. Now we can take it out and check for the SIM slots. So there's a one clearly right here, and another one should fit right here, and on the other side is a SD card. So that means this phone has dual SIM card slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.